Hello students, today we are going to discuss class 6 science chapter number 2 components of food. Before describing this chapter, in the previous video we have learned something about food, where does it come from, right? Actually in that we have studied about the ingredients of food. In this video we are going to first of all understand about the nutrition. What is nutrition? Nutritions, the food items means the ingredients, nutrients. After eating that nutrients we get nutritions. So whatever the food items we are eating, either burger, pizza, rice, chapatis, vegetables, pulses, each and every food items are divided into the six parts, that are carbohydrate, protein, vitamin, minerals, fats, water and roughage. Whatever the balanced diet we are taking day per day, all these balanced diet contain carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, minerals, fats, water and roughage. So remember dear students, all the nutrients are required for our body. If we are not taking any of one also out of these six, then we will get some disease like kwashiorkor or many other diseases are there due to the lack of these nutrients we can get. So remember dear students, whatever we are eating, all the food item contains this six type of nutrients: carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, minerals, fats, water and roughage. After getting this nutrition, have you ever thought what happens to this nutrition? And if we will not get this nutrition, I have already told you that disease will happen. But carbohydrate, in which food items do we get carbohydrate? In which food item we do get protein? We get vitamin, we get minerals, we get fats, we get water and roughage. Carbohydrate, generally these are the main to 60% we must have in our balanced diet. Carbohydrate, rice, chapati, every day we eat rice, chapati, that's the common food item. So this carbohydrate, remember 60% it must be in our balanced diet. It comes from rice, chapati and potato. Protein, pulse, milk, egg. Vitamins and minerals, all spices and all the vegetables. Vegetables, vitamins, minerals, spices, salts, etc. Fats, oil containing substance, water, RO water which we drink, and roughage, it comes from salad. This carbohydrate has been divided into the three parts. What are the three parts? Sucrose, sucrose means sugar. Second one is glucose, sucrose and starch. So have you heard about this glucose, sucrose and starch? Sugar, that's sucrose, glucose C6H12O6 and starch. So in this chapter the first topic is test of starch. How you will test of starch? As for example, any food item, as for example chapati or rice, we have to take that chapati and rice, we have to churn that chapati and rice, we have to take a test tube from the chemistry lab, we have to put that churned powder inside the test tube, give little bit of water, shake that test tube. After shaking it, put 2 or 3 drops of iodine solution. If that solution changes into blue or black, it confirms that starch is present in that food item. How you will understand the starch is there or not? What you have to do? You have to take the food items little bit. As for example, I have taken a small piece of chapati. I have made churn of that chapati, just like a powder. I have made that chapati. After then I have kept inside the test tube, and after then I have given some water inside it. After then I have shaked that solution. After shaking the solution, I have added 2 or 3 drops of iodine solution. It will be also present in chemistry lab. If that solution changes into blue or black color, then remember that solution confirms that in this solution starch is present. Similarly, how we will test of protein? What you have to do, you don't have to do anything. Take any food item, make a paste of that food item. After making the paste of food item, add 2 drops of copper sulfate solution. How you will understand copper sulfate solution? You have to just go in chemistry lab, check, there will be written CuSO4 into 5H2O. That is the copper sulfate chemical formula. It will be blue color crystal, just like sugar, blue color sugar. take that blue color sugar, add some water and make a copper sulfate solution, and you have to add 2 drops of copper sulfate solution in that paste of that food item. After then add 10 drops of caustic soda, that is sodium hydroxide. It will be also present in chemistry lab. This sodium hydroxide, that is also known as caustic soda. After adding that caustic soda, copper sulfate in that paste of the food, if that solution changes into violet color, which color? Violet color, you know or don't know? Yes, I hope all of you know violet. Yes, violet color. If it converts into violet color, then it confirms that protein is present in that food. Otherwise, if it does not convert into violet color, it remains the same color, then remember that food item does not contain protein. Remember, dear students, here we have studied about the nutrition components of food: carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, minerals, fats, water and roughage. And next we have done the test of starch. Blue or black confirms that the starch is present. Violet color confirms that protein is present. Okay, student. If you have any doubt, then drop your doubt in the comment box section. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share with your friends so your friends can also get knowledge about chapter 2. Okay, students. Thank you. Thank you very much. You can take a screenshot of this board.